5 turns, everybody. Take it away. Calling all winners, calling all losers. We've got a shake-up coming. Yes! Hold the show! We've only got 5 turns left. Let's take a look at the standings. Raffy's in first place. Wah! That's confirmed to say that I'm already in first place, yo. Ate Dian in second place. June is in third place, which puts me. And now we head into the final 5. Anything could happen, especially since it's time for the Chump Charity. How about we make things a little bit more interesting? Let's give our last place player just 30 pesos. Can you catch up now, Jana Goncillo? Yes, now let's give you all a run for your money. We'll plop coin bags onto red spaces and 1 coin onto all the other spaces. I'm being so lightheaded. Everyone has some bonus coins. That shook things up. Anything can happen during the final 5 turns. Take it away. No way, I'm gonna win the money. Let's get to it. Well, I'm gonna win that. Oh, too bad, because I've already spent my money there. Therefore, wait, no one is gonna win this one. No! I gotta do something. Ha! Kung pwede ko magnakaw ng pair, mas mabuti pa. Takin mo. Ready or not? Here I come, Max Collins. Utakiga mo! Never mind, di ako maggastos dito. Iiwan ko na sa'yo. Ano ba yan, Josh? Ano yung balak mo? Bobo kasi. May pair na ako dyan. I'm gonna catch you up. Yeah, just spend all your money here so that Raffy's secret hotel will be yours. The hotel belongs to Shamsiel. I got Jesus. Bye-bye, Raffy. Utahiga mo. Pero di bale, I'm still the winner in fairness. It's a good thing she didn't get 9 stars though. That's fair. Let's give it to the loser anyway. Anyway, now let's play the minigame. Good luck for who's gonna win this one. Tayo na kung sino man nanalo na ninyo. O mag-score ko sa kayo. Magbangga na naman tayo. Mga bobong, mag-buwis, magkama. Ewan mga tayong talo. Mga puta na ka kayo. Yeah, magkana tayo. Mag-buwanaguan. Tayo na, huwag na tayo mag-dili-dali. Mag-ingay na tayo, mga bobo kayo. Hoy, kaway, magbangga na naman kayo. Tawid! Alis na kayo dyan, tayo mo. Tapos yung mga snowmen na pinagay mo dyan, wala silang makakwenta. Gago. Mauna na ako, mabusit ka. Pwahahaha! Mga bobo kayo. Ano na kayo ako? Lahat kayo, mga baboy. Ako'y ouch! Tantado! Winsett, tantado ka! Yay! Count 1! Yay! I beat Raffy! Yay! Fuck it over! Pero di bale, alam ko na talaga yung balak ko. Di bale na, marami ako mga pair sa panalo. You lose! Fuck! Di bale ako yung balak. Diyan mo sino? O Chunsa! Taina mo! Iwan ka na sa'yo. Buisit ka. Wala, tandaan mo yan kung may pair na ako. Sasampanin kita. Bow ka kasi. Please Lord, give you a good number. Big number dapat, tandaan mo yan! Puta, inga! Isa lang! Baka namang isa ba't yung isa na yan? Puta, inga mo! Ah! Sophie Meola, kung ano yung balak mo, puta nga. Pew! 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 See you on the loser side! Pew! Don't care about spending your money because hindi mo ka na doon. Happy, Casey, I'll take you to a hotel. That's right. Ha! Doon sa hotel ng ating kontrabida si Ate Moriel. Vale. Think I remember there's a hotel that I spent all my money there. Hi! Madali lang yan! Tayo na, mabuo kayo. Pumatay na kayo dahil sa... Guys, tawid! Nyaw! Sakit yun, no? Nagtalo ka rapal lang, Sindo. Huwag ka na magpunta dito. Bulis ka na dyan. Bobo ka, Rafael. Walang kwenta. Puta, ika mo. Bulis ka na dyan. Puta, ika mo talaga. Huwag ka na magsusunduin mo ako. Susunduin mo yung sarili mo. Huwag ka magsusunduin mo ako. Magbusit ka. Gago ka. Tartado! Pero di bale, in fairness, ang good news dyan, panalo ko, magbobo kayo. JJ Kinantan, o Fanjos, magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Huwag ka magtitiwala sa mga tao, magbobo kayo, magputa, inga. Wala kong mag-iyak na lang dyan, mga bobo, mga puisi, mga kao, mga tartado, mga puta ka! Sinabi ko, Sinabi ko, Gago ka, Rodney. Ay, palang na ako panalo. Eto na kaya. Please, Lord, bigay mo na! Malas, puta. Di ba alam ko na yung balak? Uy, grabe naman si Benedict! O si Ethan! O si Laulaw! Who's Laulaw? Never mind, I forgot na. Bilisan mo, tato ka! Kung sana dapat may spingo candy na ako para magdalo na ako dyan. Puta, inga mo talaga. Walang kwenta. Bilisan mo na. At saka huwag ka maghanap ng hotel. Lahat na yan, occupied na. Hey, Rafael. You need to spend 47 pesos if you really want to own this hotel. Take care. Ha! Di ba sapat yung pera mo? Putay mo talaga? Wala akong bagay sa... Sinabi ko, Akin Sinabi, Ang sabi, Putay mo. Grabe naman. Whoa, what's going on? Wag sa akin. Uy, galing ah! Galing mo talaga. What's your name? Alexandra. You carried Alex. Ayan, yun lang. Wala na akong pera. Yun yung parusahan mo. Sayang lang. You can't spend any more coins there. Wala kang gastusin dan. Diba nila, barbadano na kami. At least I already have my hotels and everything. Except for... madali lang yan. Tara na at maglaro tayo ng Shopee Shake! Shopee Shake, do, Shopee. Shopee Shake, do, Shopee Shake, do, Shopee Shake, do, Shopee Shake. Tara na, mga pare ko, ito na. Shake na tayo. Shake na shake. Huwag na tayo magtingin sa shake. Yeah, keep shaking so that you make me clean. Exactly. Tara na, keep shaking the controller. Para malinis na. Isa ba? Ayun, tapos. Happy ka na, sir? O, syempre, masaya na ako. At dahil dyan, oh my God. Sino kayo magwawagi? Malalaman na namin. Sir, ganda naman. Next! Ate Angel Guardian, kung alin yung balak mo. Ay, grabe. Huy, ano yun? Wag more than Hanep! I'm saved! Of course, you need more than 60 pesos if you wanna beat Rappy. Malapit na yan ha. Malapit na si Ate Angel maggastos ng pera para magnanakaw yung hotel ko. Swabe! Swabe, di ba? Wala akong paki sa'yo. Ito kaya. Ito ka na yung balak ko. Yes! Hanep! Tatuwagin ko na ha. Right turn! I'm gonna spend my money for this. So I can win the shop star. And I need to run. So therefore this one will do. Yay! Try na! Thank you. Thanks for visiting the shops. Come by again. Yo, bro! Yes! Hanep, doon sa hotel na yan. Swabe. Para meron akong pera. Moreover, hotel is not barricaded. Ay, naku, iwan ka na sa'yo. Ha? Wala pa akong gastos doon. Pero di bale, I don't need to spend anything there. Teka. Who spent everything up to the last drop there? Yun yung tanong. Magnakaw tayo ng pera para manalo si Rapi. Huwag yung 10 piso. 1 piso lang. Bobo ka. Nga! Ano ba yan, Rafael Lancido? Wala kang pake. Manalo na ako, magpusit ka. Ten. Okay. Oh, grade 4 player. Tara na tayong support player. Makapanalo na tayo. Please, sana mas madali. Ay, naku, ayoko yan. Last turn, everybody! Ano yung balak ni Ate Morissette? Huwag na. Ewan ko na sa'yo. Hanep, wala ako dyan. Bobo. Wala akong pake. Gago, magyara ako yung pair namin. Never mind, what is it more than we are gonna win now. Ito yung bala ko. Let's make a run for it. Run, 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 run. Big number, big number, big number. 6, 4. Isa pa. Hati lang. Di bali, okay lang yun. Di bali, I can already barricade this hotel once and for all. Sana sapat yung pair ko. Para sa lahat. Yun! Sapat na yan! Bye-bye kayo yung turn na yan, ha? Huwag na kayo magpunta dito. Last turn na to. Huwag na maging epal kayo. Para magkuha pa ng pera, dito na ako. Pero wala na si Emil sumangil. Since it's the last turn, we've closed up our candy shop. But don't worry, we'll sell more in the next game. Bye! Paalam na po mga squatter. Squatter! Yeah! Payback na yan, ha? Payback na yan ni si Seth De La Cruz. Pari yung bag na bobo ka. Uy, gago! Mag-lucky route pa? Kahit hindi na yun. Kahit 50th turn na. Ah! I know a place in town where the streets are paved with gold. Buckle up. Hold on to your grandmas. Yay! We're going to the lucky route. We're gonna get some money. Wala akong pala. Last Babe, please do the rest. It's already the last turn. I don't care. What is important? It's already the last turn. I don't care. Last game, everybody. One versus three, guys. Matapos na. Once and for all. Bilisan mo. Bilisan po. Choose the game. Make it fast. Make it fast. Make it fast. Tayo na! Here we are! Welcome to the finale! Hope that you all had a blast. And I'm delighted to see that you all made it here in one piece. And what a stellar battle! So many stars! I can't wait to see who will come out on top. I'm brimming out with excitement! Now, my ears already hurt. Too much talk? Not enough results. Well said, Dad. What about it always talking to me? Yes, let's get to those results. And yes, we can't name the winner yet. So we need to find out who gets these bonus stars. You may have chased stars earlier, but these bonus stars come to you. Each of them counts toward your star total. Newsflash, incoming, bonus stars, incoming, anyway. What kind of bonus star will be the first to appear? The candy star. That's the thing. This bonus star goes to the player who is no candy, and our candy star goes to... Yay! Ikaw. Now for the second bonus star. The second bonus star is... the running star. Brilliant. This bonus star goes to the player who traveled the farthest, and our running star goes to... Yay! I get the bonus star! Putay mo! Salamat kayo, Robby! In fairness, knock. And now for the last bonus star. The last mini star zone star is the shopping star. This star goes to the player who spent the most of the shops. And our shopping star goes to... Hui! It evens out! That's the last of the bonus stars. But wait! There's more! Even if I didn't get the bonus star, what is important, the ultimate victor is, sabihin mo na! And the ultimate victor is... Rafi! What a triumph! Yaha! That's right, everybody! Even if I don't get any of the bonus stars, alam mo kung sino nagwawagi dito? Yay! Waha! That's right, everybody. I'm the winner. And I hate to admit it, because I'm really the winner. Yaha! No one face. No one face. I'm so handsome, right? Yaha! 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 I'm the winner. Yaha! Let's move on to the awarding ceremony. See that? As you can see, each and every of the other players had gotten their bonus stars. Let's check the details to see if it's true. Tama! Kasi nga, kami, we got all the stars. Tapos, yung minigame star, ako yung panalo daon. Sa shopping star, tama. Si Jewel ay yung panalo dyan. Pew! Pew! Ako, tsaka si Ate Bianca, nag-ipon tayo ng pera para sa hotel na yan eh. Tapos yung candy star ay nagpunta kay Rafael Antindo. Bayan siya na maraming candy ah. Tsaka kay Ate Bianca Gonzalez yung running star. Pero if I were to go to the second part, yes. Uy, grabe! Kung nag-red star kaming dalawa kumuha ng ni ano yun? Tama! Pwede tumigil ka. Tumigil ka! Tumigil ka. Ay, nako. Ewan ko na sa'yo. Puta! Yung mo talaga Rafael Antindo! That's what I was trying to tell! Ay, nako. Skip that one. For the green star, our green star will go to... Uy, galing ah! Si Rafi at saka si Rexy o si Yune o si Hana o si Claire ay magkuha ng green star. Hanep! Pew! Pew! That's right. I hope you had fun playing in my Tycoon Town. Play again someday. Ramsey Adantes. Take care of my mother, guys. Bye! Well, as you can see, for more info, the Lucky Route, suwabe naman ni Ate Marian Rivera. She went there 3 times. Tapos, I called Kuya Emil Sumangil twice. Tapos, ay nako, this event's out kasi nga, lahat kami, nag-space kami eh. Kay DK, kay Emil Sumangil, tsaka kay, kay, sino to? Yung tatay ni Kai. We, ano yun? So, yeah. And that's it for the video, guys! Leave a like if you do like this video. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel for more. And if you want to see Rafi battling in my Tycoon Town again, leave a like. Boo! Yeah! Magnoon tayo ng family feud. Siyempre naman, ako si Kuya Dog, Miss MC Ballyhoo. Dito lang sa Mario Party 8! Yay! Goodbye, everybody! Subscribe to the channel! Bye!